If we look at the history, before God gave us the Torah, so we're taught that He offered it to other nations. And what was the dialogue between those nations and Hashem? Really, it's the spiritual source of each of the nations that Hashem was speaking to, but it represented the nation as a whole. So each nation asked, what is in the Torah? And when it heard that it was something in the Torah that they had a difficulty doing, they said, we can't take it. Now, the obvious question can be asked, so what? What's the big problem? So you won't do that thing. You'll take the Torah, you'll learn it, and you'll do the other things, and that one thing you can't do, you won't do. So we see from here that because they couldn't do it, or they were unwilling to do it, that meant they couldn't take the Torah. Now, that same idea applies to the Jewish people. When we said, Na'aseh v'nishma, what we were saying was, we will fulfill the Torah, we will do it, and therefore we deserve to have it. The whole idea of learning is really in order so we should understand how to fulfill.